Hello, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Letterboxd. The app has been not working. The app opened but any loading issues and is not opening problems. The Letterboxd has been app problem but any problem the solution update this video to watching and properly the guideline updated. App screen has been loading problems and first of all the easily problem the solution and short video and first of all the clicks and three dot and setting the same processings but any easily the clicks dot error second processing the profile and permissions selected camera notifications and pictures allow all things completed. Second step, the store and cashier the selected. Store cashiers. Okay, the claims. NOS. Third important has been updated has been letterbox. The update now. Search and update now. Completed an internet connection the checkings. Second step, the status updated the checkings. Complete processing and reset now device completed. Reset now complete.